Hey guys, so I got a pretty interesting product for you guys here today. This is a massager. It's advertised to be for your scalp, so you kind of put it on your head. But honestly, the way it works, you can basically treat it as a portable massager for any part of your body. And I think it's pretty nice, just because after a long day of work or whatever you do, it's definitely nice to have a massaging tool with you, and then not everybody can afford those fancy $1,000 massage chairs, hundreds of dollars. This is about $40 to $50 currently on Amazon. So I thought it was worth a look. Worst case scenario, I just return it if it doesn't work out. But I think this is a pretty interesting device here. This video, I'm just going to do a first look unboxing, so it's not my full review just yet because I need to test it out thoroughly. But here's the actual products. Let's see if I can get it out of the box here. So here's the user manual. It's a very short user manual. So there's a charging base right there, charging indicator. There's a one-touch control button, and there's some indicators to indicate the speed and all that. So there's only 2 speeds on this thing, and then the rest of it is in. Actually, the whole thing's in English. I'm pretty surprised. Usually these kind of things they have dual languages, but it has some also safety guidance in here as well. And it is rechargeable via micro USB, I believe. Yep, that's micro USB right there. So it comes with a cable right out of the box, no wall brick, so they assume that you have that yourself, or you can just use your computer USB port to charge it as well, whatever you want to choose. So here we go, here's the actual massager, and this is the charging base. You can see the little pins to line up for inductive charging, which is really nice. It's kind of like, when you charge your electric toothbrush. Charging port right there on the back, nice little grip on the bottom so it doesn't slide around. It's always a good sign. The actual button here, silicone, so you just depress it, so one touch button. There are the indicators right there for low battery, I assume. Let's press it again. I'm not too sure what's the difference between those two though, because it doesn't really tell you which one is faster or which one's not, besides obviously this is the slower one. Here's the faster one. Interesting. So all of these here is silicone. I'm just try it on my arm. So it doesn't like swirl around, so this is not supposed to be meant to tangle up your hair. Obviously that's definitely a huge question if you want to use this on long hair or not, but the way that it is pulsating, it doesn't go all the way around. It's just kind of moving it back and forth like this, so it's not really going to tangle up anything. Adding some resistance definitely slows down the motor, as I can tell here, but it's still pretty good. This is the fast version, and it feels pretty nice actually. It just kind of like gently pinches and releases on your skin. This is kind of mimicking human massager, so it's actually pretty nice. I'm pretty excited to give this a shot. So any questions you guys have, just leave it in the comment section down below on my YouTube video. To turn it fully off, you just long press it. So that's pretty nice. I just need to figure out to align it properly. There we go. So that's pretty neat. I'll put the product link in the description down below if you guys are interested and you're watching this video on YouTube. But otherwise, this is it. Any thoughts, just leave it down in the comment section down below.